Assalamualaikum and selamat sejahtera. My name is Muhammad AZED ISMAIL and my metric number is B0920102666. So today I will give presentation about my topic, which is equipment maintenance, identifying needs and establishing a maintenance checklist. So introduction: in equipment maintenance, identifying needs and establishing maintenance checklists are crucial for ensuring reliable performance and safety. This presentation will provide insight into the key aspects of equipment maintenance and offer practical tips for developing an effective maintenance strategy. So first, we need to understand the equipment needs. Before creating a maintenance checklist, it is essential to understand the specific needs of each piece of equipment. This involves assessing usage patterns, environment factor, and manufacturer recommendation to determine the most critical maintenance tasks. So next, components of a maintenance checklist. A comprehensive maintenance checklist should include regular inspection, cleaning procedure, lubricant schedule, and replacement interval for key components. Each item on the checklist should be tailored to the unique requirement of the equipment. So such as fabric ducting, so we have to know how long to clean the fabric and how long to do project on the maintenance, and we have to know the procedure. So for next slide, implementing preventive maintenance. So preventive maintenance plays a vital role in minimizing downtime and extending equipment lifespan. By proactively addressing potential issues, organization can avoid cross repairs and maintain optimal operation efficiency. So when we do preventive maintenance, it is actually can help us to reduce the faulty for the machine of or equipment. So we can reduce the cost. Yeah. So next, training and documentation. So training personnel on proper maintenance procedure and maintaining detailed documentation of maintenance activity are essential for ensuring consistency and compliance with industry standards. Well-documented maintenance records also aid in troubleshooting and decision making. So it is essential to do training for the worker before we do maintenance, and also we have to do documentation so it will be more efficient. So that's all. So the conclusion. So effective equipment maintenance requires proactive approach through understanding of equipment needs and a well-structured maintenance checklist. By prioritizing preventive maintenance and investing in training, organization can maximize equipment reliability and minimize operational disruptions. So that's all from me. Thank you.